Hello my dear friends, hope you're all doing well and staying safe, and welcome to my channel. It is Team Series. This is part 2 of my rubbery bouncy egg experiment. Okay, so in part 1 what I did was soak the egg in vinegar for 1 day and 3 days. And after 3 days I showed you that the egg was bouncy, but it wasn't translucent or bouncy little egg. So, move this away. So what happened on day 1 and day 3 is that there's bubbles on the egg, and what happened was it was still eating. Oh, yeah, literally, the vinegar was eating the eggshell off. And the membrane was still there. But now, after 1 week, what happens is this: translucent and bouncy. That's cool, right? Okay, at the end of this video, I'll show you how high it'll bounce and when it'll pop if you bounce it too high. And in most videos, they show that in 3 days, the egg will turn like this, but that is not true. It'll usually take 1 week for the egg to turn into this. Good signs are that some spots are slightly turning this color, or you can see that the bubbles and foam are not there anymore. Those are 2 hints to know when your egg is ready. And now, let me show you how this egg will bounce. It is super bouncy. Look at it. And this is a safety concern. This egg is not edible. You cannot eat the egg. It is rubbery and has vinegar, and it is raw, and there's no way you can eat this. You cannot eat this egg. I repeat, do not eat. This is just for playing, and in a few weeks or maybe a few days, the egg might start to smell, so please throw it out. Okay, now in the end of this video, which is probably in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1, end of the video! Not yet, cause I'll show you how far or how high this egg bounces. It's this low, it so bounces high. Whoa, it so bounces. My gosh, so bounces. It bounces. I'm getting so scared that I'll flop. Oh God! What? Try yourself. You will feel extremely scared. It'll just pop in your face. On this side. Oh! Ew. Well, that was high. Did you see how high it went? The maximum was about this high. Ew. Egg membrane. Egg yolk. And don't eat this either. It is not good for you. So yeah, hope you really enjoyed that. And let's see you trying to keep it for 1 whole week and not 3 days. Put it back in, and this is what you'll get. Well, if you tossed it that high. Well, it's gonna start to smell bad. Well, guess that's it. Bye-bye, egg! Now, hope you're seeing my engineering videos, technology videos, my origami and piano playing videos, and don't forget my mathematics, because that is my favorite subject. So make sure you're seeing all those videos and see more of my science videos. I made many videos. And don't forget to see my really fun videos where I show you some really cool things, like a car drifting. How's that? Now, hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Until then, stay tuned. See you later. Bye-bye.